Seared kielbasa with a mustard dip. Kielbasa is a smoked Polish sausage, and I like the ones that have lots of spices. If you can find one. It's fully cooked. I'm slicing it 1/2 inch thick diagonally, and I'm just going to sear it in a pan. I mean, it's really that easy. Sometimes they come not cooked, but you want them fully cooked. And I'm just going to sear it so it's a little bit crispy and heated all the way through. How good does that look? And the best part of this dish is I just serve it right in the pan. Okay, one layer at a time. So I'm just sauteing this in a little olive oil, and I just want one layer so it gets really seared. Okay, I'm going to cook this on one side, a few minutes until it's nicely brown, then flip it over and cook it on the other side. In the meantime, I'm going to make a really good mustard dip for it. So, this is my mustard dip. So I have a cup of mayonnaise. Okay, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. It's got lots of flavor. A teaspoon of whole grain mustard. I like using whole grain mustard because then it looks like it's mustard. A teaspoon of horseradish. Make it nice and spicy. And lots of salt and pepper. And just give it a stir. I mean, that's pretty easy, right? I mean, this is a classic comfort combination, kielbasa and mustard dip. Just think they go together. The first time I served it right out of the pan, I thought, I wonder if people are gonna like it. It was gone. I mean, people went crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the kielbasa so it's nice and browned on both sides. It smells so good. I just served this with toothpicks. Everybody just helps themselves. I just love things that are really casual and country, comforting, and easy. Even better when it's all so easy. Oh, these are perfectly browned. And see how fast it is? It's really fast. Okay, so while these cook on the other side, I'm just going to get everything else ready. So I've got a little ramekin for the mustard sauce. Skewers, I have a little ramekin, and I'm just going to serve it right in the saute pan. It's nice and crispy and browned on the other side. It's just perfectly cooked. So I always put out toothpicks or skewers in case people want to use them, but it's just you and me, right? So I can use my fingers. This is so fabulous. You know what I love about this? It's just one of those really simple pleasures. Comfort food, it's delicious. Your friends are gonna go crazy too. And it's so easy to make. Great hors d'oeuvre.